the biological weight of your ancestors' trauma? Is the pressure of your daily life aging your DNA right now? Science is finally asking if we can flip a switch to turn off disease. High-traffic social media accounts often suggest that human belief can consciously rewrite a DNA sequence or mutate genes to cure stage 4 illnesses. In reality, your genetic sequence is fixed. Mutations happen as random events, driven by chance or environmental damage, and they remain entirely beyond the reach of conscious thought. At institutions like Harvard Medical School, the scientific focus has shifted toward how that fixed code is read. While DNA provides the hardware blueprint, your epigenome acts as the engineer. Through methylation, small chemical switches attach to the outer rungs and seal off certain segments in the off position, silencing expression without changing the underlying code. This regulatory layer responds to the world around you. Your environment, your chronic stress levels, and even your experiences before birth influence the position of these switches. This microscopic activity has macroscopic consequences. Constant inflammation accelerates the cellular epigenetic clock, increasing your risk for aging-related diseases. Ancestral trauma acts as a physical setting in your cellular machinery, creating a biological predisposition toward chronic inflammation. To counter this, scientists study the relaxation response, a state of deep rest achieved through meditation, yoga, or repetitive prayer. In 2013, a study from Harvard and Massachusetts General Hospital showed that a single session of deep relaxation can immediately change the expression of thousands of genes. During these sessions, the inflammatory NF-κB pathway begins to power down. The pulsing signals of inflammation fade as the system transitions into a restful state. Simultaneously, we see clusters related to energy metabolism and insulin secretion brighten as the cell shifts focus toward metabolic efficiency. Practicing these techniques shifts the biological environment, providing the necessary signals to suppress inflammation and prioritize cellular repair. Behavioral epigenetics is a powerful tool for wellness, but it remains limited. It cannot repair structural genetic defects or act as a substitute for professional medical interventions. The science confirms we can modulate gene expression, which is an entirely different process than changing our fixed genetic code. The value of this research is evidence-based agency. It shows us how to tilt the odds of long-term health in our favor through consistent habits. By routinely practicing stress reduction techniques, we actively lower cortisol levels and force our biological systems into a state of recovery. You are not a helpless observer of your genetic blueprint or your family's history. Your DNA is the fixed hardware you are born with. Your habits provide the instructions. You can choose to suppress inflammatory signals and influence your cellular trajectory, one intentional breath at a time.